Hey there! Welcome to my tutorial on using try-catch finale block in Java for beginners. Error handling is an essential aspect of programming, and try-catch finale is an essential structure. To give you an idea of how it works, let's create a simple program that reads from a file and prints the contents to the console. But what if the file doesn't exist? We could get an exception. This is where the try-catch finale block comes in handy. Here's how it looks like. The try block contains the code that may throw an exception. If an exception is thrown, the program will jump to the catch block, where the exception will be caught and handled. The finally block contains code that will be executed whether or not an exception is thrown. Let's now take our simple file reading program and wrap it in a try-catch finale block. Here's how we would do it. As you can see, we've wrapped our file reading code in a try block. If an exception is thrown, we catch it in the catch block and print an error message. Finally, we print a closing message and close the file in the finally block. And that's pretty much it. The try-catch finale block is a powerful tool for error handling in Java, and it's essential for any serious Java programmer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and happy coding!